Welcome to Boubyan Bank Services. Salary Transfer Service. To transfer salaries online, follow these steps. Log into your corporate account. In the dashboard homepage, click on Salary Management from the side menu. Then click on Instructions to download the salary sheet. In the salary sheet, choose the salary or allowance, then fill the company information. Enter employees' names and information. Then set the file location on the PC to generate the file and report. Go to Salary Management on the browser and click on Salary Upload. Upload Boubyan account's file name and the other bank's account's file name. Choose the upload type, then click on Transfer. Check all the entered information in the confirmation page and click to confirm. The transfer should be approved by the authorized person. Check all the entered information in the confirmation page, then enter the password and click to confirm. A message confirming the successful completion of the task will appear. Enjoy Boubyan Bank Services.